Hi, my name is Nick Russo, Senior Service Provider Solution Architect with TrendAI, working closely with our service provider partners and their journey in TrendAI Vision 1. As part of new features being introduced to Vision 1 for service providers, partners with customers that are leveraging Cloud App Security and Trend Micro Email Security that are not managed by an MSP partner via Remote Manager now have the option to migrate these solutions to the TrendAI Vision 1 platform. Before we cover the migration process, I want to show the types of accounts where this process is applicable, as it applies to customers that are not managed by Remote Manager, yet have Cloud App Security or Trend Micro Email Security provisioned through Licensing Management Platform. There's also a prerequisite that the partner environment is updated to Vision 1 for service providers, and I'll include a link in the description of the video that steps through this update process. From the Vision 1 for service providers console, I'll navigate to Licensing Management Platform, and in that console, I'll find that customer that's going to be migrated from CAS or TMES to Vision 1. In that customer's information, I'll find the CAS or TMES solution, and there should not be a checkbox under the Remote Manager column as shown here. Next, in the Customer Management Customer Overview page, I'll find the customer's name in the list. I'll click the Provision link, then choose Paid License, and once the Vision 1 tenant is finished provisioning, the link will change to View for that customer. Next, I'll click the View link to single sign-on into the customer's Vision 1 tenant. I'll navigate to Service Management, then Product Instance. At the top of the page, I'll select Add Existing Product. In the flyout window on the right, in the Instance Type dropdown, I'll select the appropriate product to start with. If they're using both solutions, we'll follow this same process for each product. I'll select Cloud App Security, then switch on the organizations that are listed and click the Save button. Next, once the connection is complete, there will be an Update button listed next to the solution that we've selected to connect. I'll click the Update button, and I'll check the box to accept the agreement, then click the Agree to Update button. In the System Update window that pops up, we're going to list information related to the environment post-migration once the update's completed. Feel free to review this information to understand the impact of the update, and then check the I Understand box and click Start the Update. Once the update's started, you can navigate to Email and Collaboration Protection, then depending on the product you've chosen to migrate, go to Cloud Email and Collaboration Protection for CAS, or Cloud Email Gateway Protection for TMES. The status of the update will show on the next page, and once completed, the console will refresh to show the expected console page and the update's complete. Once the migration is complete, it would be recommended to send some test messages to users to ensure mail flow is operational. And for any problems encountered during the migration process, you can contact the support team for assistance should there be any failures or problems post-migration. If you have any questions related to the content of this video, or perhaps would like guidance related to the migration process, please let us know. Reach out to your account manager, and we'll set up some time to work together. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to working with you on your journey in TrendAI Vision 1.